Good afternoon. It's March the 13th, 2018. Time to recap our trading and take a look at tomorrow. Had a fabulous day today. We have one day a week that does what today did, where everything just kind of works and don't have to think about it. We have days that don't do that too. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we came in this morning. We wanted to be long first to see if we could take out and hold 5. Couldn't. V-top entry right here. Good mean green trade right there. Little double top here. Then we just start getting lower highs. And that has the look of a washout. Come back up. Scott had identified this 87 area right here as potential resistance. It was, and we're continuing to work our way lower, but not very enthusiastically. 10,700 with the 50 lot trader. We're not going to turn that around quickly. So the big guys are selling into this. F1, outside day. That usually means trading range. F2 will definitely show selling. And we have 2 distributions working for us today with these new lows. One came out of the 2800 area, the other one came out of the 2786, 87 area. And we've got all these single prints down here at 2750. Low volume numbers at 6650. Get through that. 2750 is just as easy to get to as 2785. So we'll see what happens. Lots of news tomorrow. PPI plus 0.2. Core PPI plus 0.2. Retail sales plus 0.4. X autos plus 0.4. Those are the big numbers. They all hit at once. Atlanta business Fed inflation. Don't know what it is. It was 2% last time. Probably the same. Business inventory is up 0.5%. And then crude, gasoline, distillates inventory. So the big number, PPI and retail sales, X autos. And then for energy traders, the big number will be the crude inventories. If the market were to close right here, trying to buy 61s to 66s and 51s to 56s. On the sell side, 74, 79, sell 1, 84, 89, sell 2. Looking at the note, tomorrow is normally a pause day, settlement day. Right here, get this 120.12 area, maybe trade around it, so maybe a seller 16 to 20, maybe a buyer the buck to 04, somewhere down in here, 04 to 08. F1 screen says find a place to buy it. Putting it in context, I don't think that'll be the case. We've got a B, but it was put in backwards, so if we do a C split here, you can see how it's starting to lean P. I'm just guessing trading range tomorrow. So 15.19 sell 1, 23.27 sell 2. On the buy side, We'll make it 4 to 8. Buy 1. 29 to 01, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. I hope everybody had fun today. It was a good day. Even had a couple of losses that we were able to recover from. 8 to 12, number 1. 15 to 19, sell 1. 23.27, sell 2. I think it takes pretty heavy selling in the Emini to break us out to the upside, but we are trading above this 144 area, 144.04. So the market is showing signs of strength. I'm going to make 28 to 144 even, number 1. Buy 21.27, buy 1. I'm guessing trading range tomorrow, 13 to 17, buy 2. See, Trump is headed to California, into the lion's den, so to speak. He will not be met favorably with the press or with the powers that be out there. Guess he's kind of used to it. But there is a movement out there to make Los Angeles and San Francisco the 51st state and the rest of the state of California the 50th. It'll never happen, but it just shows you how skewed the elections are to all the immigrants in Los Angeles and San Francisco, and a good deal are illegal that vote just the way they want it. Outside day in gold, find a place to trade it. That usually means trading range. Pretty strong profile today, really. Got a P. We'll just keep our 28s to the 30. That is resistance. Sell 1. 34.36. Sell 2. On the buy side, 25.23 is support. Like to get it done closer to 20. 19 to 21, buy 2. Crude oil, man, we're having at least one day a week of these dollar plus runs. That's nice. We love it. We love volatility. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Imagine we're going to see a move out of the middle right there like that. All over the map today. Had this unbelievable run early in the day. Took us up almost 62. We missed our 61.98, so we got smoked at 61.48. Caught the trade from the top up there at 79. Wasn't perfect, but if you'd been along, if you'd taken one off at plus 10 and the other one, the moving average changed colors, you're talking about 100. I think we said 140. Just a huge day. So we've got a seller at 75 to the buck, sell 1. Imagine we'll be a little lower in London, and the issue becomes, can we break that? We've got the APIs tonight that'll help give us some guidance. 60 and a quarter, buy 1. 67 and a quarter, 61.50, sell 2. And then we'll make 59.50, 59.75, buy 2. But we'll get a better feel for it depending on what the APIs are tonight, and tomorrow's swag is for the EIA inventory numbers. And looking at the euro, higher low, higher high, moving up. So that's what it should look like. Find a place to buy it on F1. F2 is going to say the same thing. Didn't really understand the selling in a lot of the contracts. This the little whipsaw, then all of them came roaring back. But 24.10 to 20, sell 1. 24.50, sell 2. I think eventually we're going to get stops over 125. 23.75 buy 1. 23.50 buy 2. And that does it for this March the 13th, 2018. I will see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening. I'm out of here.